How was school day, mate?
Um, it was boring, kinda.
What?
Yeah, I
Oh
mean,
boy.
it felt like any
How
regular.
could you have a boring school day?
I don't know. It was
It's
just
it's a bunch of
boring.
kids, it's a bunch of people,
Yeah,
all types of stuff to do. How could you have a boring day at school?
it's just. It was not boring. It's just the same. Like it's like any other Monday.
Mm.
That's why it's boring.
Well, check it. Yesterday, Jordan left, went to Italy, halfway across the world. How you feeling about that?
Um, I'm happy for her.
Did you see any of her pictures
Yeah,
on Instagram?
yeah.
Who showed them to you? Your mother? What you think of them?
Well, I think that they're nice. Like they're, uh, I think that it's nice and seems fun and cool.
You wish you was there.
I wish I was in a different country, but not Italy. I don't want to
What
go to
country?
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yes.
Why Jamaica?
I don't know. It's just like African countries are so much better than any other country.
Well, Jamaica not in Africa.
Oh.
Jamaica is south of Florida.
Well, I mean African countries.
Okay. All right. You sad a little bit.
No.
Your sister not here.
I mean, I'm not sad.
You never been away from her for this long.
No. I mean, I'm not sad. It's just like
How many times did you cry?
none.
None yet?
None at all.
Okay. Well, tomorrow is another big day.
Oh, right.
What's the big day?
Jason's birthday.
Jay Sean's birthday, 17 years old.
And it's extra special because his birthday is on the 17th and he's turning 17.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How nice.
Ain't that nice?
So mine's a be extra special when I turn 104.
What?
When I turn 104.
No, yours already passed.
No, 10-4.
No.
104.
No, yours already passed.
No, I'm set. 10 for the month of October.
Okay.
104. When I turn 104.
Yeah.
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 I got a long time. I got 60 years to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what you think Jay Sean should get for his birthday?
I think he should get I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
Oh, goodness.
I don't know.
You think he need a new cell phone? No. He don't have one.
I already know what he's getting.
What?
Well, I can't say it, but I already know.
What? He not in here.
I know, but he can probably hear.
Whisper it.
No.
Whisper it in the microphone.
I already know what it is because Mom kind of gave it away when we were at the store.
I'll tell you if you're right.
A phone.
Who told you that?
Nobody told me that. I just know.
How you know?
Because she was like, we were walking in Target. She was like, I do need a phone case, but I don't know which one. And I was like, if she was talking about her phone, then she would know. And if she was talking about my phone, she would know. But she don't know which phone. So obviously, he's probably getting a phone.
How you feel about that? Yeah. All right. What went on at boring school day? Did you have track practice?
Yeah. It was so windy.
Yeah, that's how track is in Northeast Ohio. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's snowing.
It was just hot
Sometimes
yesterday.
it's hot. That's Northeast Ohio.
No, I don't like Northeast Ohio.
What?
Well, I like Northeast Ohio, but no.
No what?
No. Like, it's so windy.
So?
The lights went out. They went out. Probably
Why do the wind cause lights to go out?
because the wires, like, they probably built so hard and the wires.
What, the wires come unplugged or something? What
Yeah.
you mean?
Like, the wires come unplugged.
Where at? There's no plugs outside.
Well, it probably like gives extra shock waves and then it just stops. That's nice thinking.
Well, you know, some cities have their wires underground so that weather will not affect their electricity.
That's smart.
Yeah. So some cities you'll go to and you'll notice that you look around, there's no wires and all of that like we have. That's going from like pole to pole and all of that. Because they're buried under the ground.
We should have that.
You think the city of Cleveland should bury all the wires?
Yes.
It'd take a lot of money. You got to tear up all the streets, every single street in the city. It had to get redone.
Yes, but it's like, it's better for like us and it's better for like animals so that like squirrels don't be chewing on them.
So squirrels chew on the wires and break them?
Yeah.
Why would they do that? They eat copper?
Oh, no, they don't eat it. They chew on it.
Why?
But, okay, so a fun fact about squirrels is that their teeth never stop growing. So if they don't continuously like chew on something, they'll eventually grow so long that it pierces into their like head and then they die. So they have to continuously chew on something.
And so sometimes they just choose to chew on electrical wires.
Yeah.
It don't electrocute them?
Probably not. They're a different breed.
Well, how much do you think it'll cost?
Like $10,000? Less?
What? $10,000?
$5,000.
Like 10 billion?
10 billion?
Yeah.
Just for this city?
Yeah.
Oh, well then never mind. Them squirrels can keep chewing on it.
You would have to tear out every single street.
That does not sound like 10 billion.
How much you think it costs to redo our street? If they had to come and redo our street, how much you think
Like
it cost?
10,000.
Child, please.
There is no way it's more than
It'd be
10,000.
Like 250,000.
No, that's exaggerating it.
No.
Yes, that is.
Okay, this how I'm gonna prove it to you. It's gonna take a couple weeks. West 140th is about to get redone. How much you think that's gonna cost? The whole West 140th, from the freeway to all the way up there by the library, is getting redone. How much you think it's gonna cost?
$100,000.
It's gonna be like 100 million.
How?
No, it ain't gonna be 100 million. It's probably gonna be about $10 million.
You're exaggerating.
No,
it.
I'm not.
There's no way.
Okay, when they come and do it, they're gonna put a sign up.
Okay, they're redoing it as in like what?
Tearing up the old stuff, putting a brand new street.
Well, there's no way it's $10 million. It's probably like 500,000.
I'm about to look it up right now.
Watch you be wrong.
Okay, so right here it say this your favorite friend, AI. Right here it says a sample resurfacing a typical 500-foot 2-lane road. So, you know how far 500 feet is?
No.
Well, we measured it one day. From our driveway to the corner where you catch the bus at is 500 feet.
Oh, okay.
And this is 2 lanes. So pretty much from our house to the corner costs $50,000. So our street, that's like four times that just for our street.
That's okay.
So that'll be $200,000.
No, that's not.
How
Oh.
not?
Oh.
Just from here to the corner is 50,000.
You said 250,000.
Okay, all right, maybe I'm off by a little bit, but yeah, that's how much it costs.
Okay, well, whatever.
So what? So would you still do it? Okay, this would be the smart way to go about it. You didn't catch this. I thought you was smarter than that. So the way you do it is throughout the city, there's always streets that just need to get redone because they get raggedy. Right?
Yeah.
When it comes time to redo the street anyway, bury the wires. So you just add a little bit to the cost, bury the wires, put them in like some type of pipe underground. Put the pipe down there, you run the wires through it, and then it's done because you got to replace the street anyway, right?
Yeah.
So every street that get redone, they get the wires buried.
That's smart.
Yeah, I'm smart, Joy.
Mm-hmm. Anyway.
All right, so what else going on? What y'all doing math?
Whoa. We got to start off my day with ELA.
I really don't be thinking about ELA.
Well, I do because I needed to get into high school. So basically, we went to ELA and we answered some questions on this thing, and then we went over it, and then we did 2 quizzes, and I got first in both of them.
You did what?
Quizzes.
Quiz.
Yeah.
And what? What was the quiz about?
Text structures.
Who?
Text structures.
What's that?
So the 4 main ones is chronological order, problem and solution, cause and effect, or wait, let me think.
Informative?
Yeah, no.
Persuasive?
No.
Teaching you how to do something?
Wait. Shush.
You don't know.
Wait. Yes, I do. Oh, compare and contrast. So it's compare and contrast, chronological order, cause and effect, and problem and solution. And I was like, no, there's 5. And then everybody started arguing with me. And I looked it up, and there's 4 main ones, but there's 5. And the last one is descriptive. And I was like, haha, in your face. And then, and then we went to math, and we learned about, we just did a review about area of circles.
I thought y'all been did.
No, listen. So, I think that they're called compound shapes.
What?
Wait.
Never heard of it.
Wait. Yes, it's called a compound shape. So it's like 2 or 3 shapes just combined as one, and they have to break it apart and find the area of each one, and then add them all to find the area of the whole shape. So we did that, and then we also found the area of circles and triangles. And then there was one, it was like a trapezoid, an upside down trapezoid. And basically that was technically a compound shape because you can like split it into 2 triangles and a rectangle. And I was like, So then I was thinking, and then I was like, how do you find the area of a trapezoid? Because I really did not want to break any of them down. So then I found the area of a trapezoid, and then my teacher was like, how did you figure this out? And I was like, I just found the area of a trapezoid. And then he was like, oh, I didn't even think that you would know that. And I was like, yeah. And then there was also this one thing. It was like another compound shape, but then like the thing was kind of off.
Wait, so what's the area of a trapezoid?
Oh, it's base plus base, and then I think it's like base plus base, and then you half it, and then you multiply it by the height, right?
That's right.
Okay, and then.
So why would anybody think that you couldn't know that?
Well, because we never went over it this year. And, like, everything that we learned last year was, like, so clueless and hard to remember. So, then, this girl, she was like, it was kind of off to the side. So she was like, wouldn't this be that? And then it took him about 2 minutes to figure it out. And I was like, oh yeah, you're right. And then he was like, I didn't think anybody would see that, and I didn't see it either. And then the problems were so hard. We just went over it with him. And then my friend was fasting, but basically
For Ramadan?
yeah. But she didn't wake up in enough time because she had to wake up her little brother, and then he took forever to get up, so she couldn't eat.
To eat this morning?
Yeah. So she didn't get water or nothing to eat. So she was putting her head down, and I was like, you should just eat. Like, you should call your mom and ask if you can eat. And then she was like, no, no, no. And I was like, well, then just ask to go to a nurse. And then she was like, no. And then she had to go home early because we went to
What's the purpose of fasting for Ramadan?
to cleanse your body.
I don't think you should tell someone that's fasting that they should just eat.
Well, I was trying to help her out.
Because and I understand that you're trying to be helpful, but I don't think that that's really actually being helpful. Because it's a religious practice, and it's a sacred religious practice. Fasting during Ramadan is not just about, I don't know what you think that it's about. But it's not just about not eating. It's a entirely spiritual journey for the holy month of Ramadan. And so it's not about, well, just eat. It's not that, right?
Yeah.
Maybe we should look it up, and so that you can learn a little bit more about Ramadan. Because this the funny thing that I always observe about the holy month of Ramadan is a lot of people celebrate Christmas, whether they go to church and are Christians or not. Everybody celebrate Christmas, right? Because you get gifts, you get presents. But the holy month of Ramadan, nobody celebrate that. Like, everybody don't celebrate that. So a lot of people will come and ask me, well, are you Muslim? And I say, well, no, but I don't have to be Muslim to celebrate alongside Muslim people. Just like I don't have to be Christian to celebrate Christmas. Like, nobody asks me if I'm Christian if I'm celebrating Christmas. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But it's a spiritual journey. So hopefully next time, and this is the other thing too, just to be very, very clear, just from a physiological standpoint. Remember we talked about how long you can go without food?
Yeah.
How long was it?
3 days.
No, that was water.
Oh.
Water was 3 days. I think food was like 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
So 3 weeks. So if you miss breakfast one day, guess what? You're going to be all right. You're going to be all right. You can go 3 days without water. Guess what? If you miss a drink of water in the morning, you be all right. All right?
Yeah.
It might make it a little bit difficult to get through. But you'll make it. It's okay. I don't eat breakfast in the morning. I usually drink a little water. But that's about it. All right?
Yeah.
So just be careful about that. Maybe we should learn a little bit more. Maybe you should fast a day.
Okay, sure. And then we got free time for the rest of math. And then we went to, where did we go?
Free time. Y'all love getting that free time,
Yep.
boy. I don't like free time. I don't like free time.
Why?
Because
No,
last week-
listen. You work, right?
yeah.
So if you get free time, you have free time, not even just to do whatever you want, but to catch up on work.
Well, it's not free time if I'm working.
Yes, it is. It is free time.
So, okay, well then what are y'all doing during free time?
We're doing whatever we have to do.
Work?
I mean, if you want to get extra credit, yeah.
Why it gotta be extra credit?
Because it's the end of the quarter and people need to pick up their grades.
I just don't understand it. Because 2 weeks ago, you were telling me about how y'all was taking a test and it was material on this test that y'all had not gotten to. Mm-hmm. So why not get to it during free time?
Well, because that material, he said, was hard. So
what? That's what we're here to do, hard stuff.
Yeah, but he said it was hard, and that he was.
That's what we here to do. We not here to just do the easy stuff.
He is teaching us, but it was hard, and he wanted it to be in our brains fully. And if if he teaches hard stuff before spring break, and we go on spring break, barely anybody is gonna learn it. I mean, remember it.
Yeah, y'all will. You remembered the area formula for a trapezoid. How could you not remember? You'll remember.
It will. That's different because we went over the area for a trapezoid like multiple times. Okay.
All right.
So, well, I don't.
Y'all got nothing but time, and I just don't understand the purpose of free time.
I don't tell
when there's
him
so
what
much
to
to
teach.
learn. Well, you could take it upon yourself to learn. You can learn about a lot of stuff on your own.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we went to, where did we go? Oh, so then we went to, computer tech, and, so last week on Thursday, my computer tech teacher was like, if you can find out how to put the 3D print thingy on a flash drive all by yourself, then you can print another thing. And I was like, really? And she was like, yeah. So I did it, and then all the tech guy had to do was put it on hook the USB flash drive to the 3D printer, and then it would print. So then today I got my stuff, and it looked amazing.
What you make?
It's like, well, it's like, so my computer tech teacher had this thing. It was like square, and then you put rocks in it, and then there's a little circle in it, and then you put like a plant or something in it. So I made that. But she was like, and since it's so cool, like everybody who makes cool things, like keep it here for a few days or so that people can see it, and then you can take it home. So it's still at the school. Well, I made two things. That and I made this cool toy thingy.
A toy thing?
Yeah. But it's not a toy. It's like a spiral fidget spinner, but it's not a fidget spinner. It's like,
I forgot all about fidget spinners.
Yeah.
Y'all still play with those?
Yes. And then, so then I got my thing, and then we went to, where did we go? Oh, so she just gave us a period to play Mario Kart. So then we did esports for that period. And then we went to lunch, and then we came back, and then we played, and then we went to science, and we learned about atoms and protons and neutrons. And
what about them?
Honestly, that stuff is hard.
What's so hard about it?
Okay, there's all these numbers and all these decimals and all these words. Like, I can give you oxygen, hydrogen.
What number is oxygen? 8.
Oh, right. 8.
What else you said? Carbon. What's carbon?
4.
6. What's 4? Is iron 4?
Oh, no.
Let me see. No, iron not 4. Iron 26. What's 4? Beryllium. So what y'all do? So what's so difficult? I'm trying to understand.
Because there's so much to learn in that periodic table. Like,
What, you got to learn it all in one day?
no, but it's hard.
What's so hard about it? I'm missing what's so
Because how
difficult.
do you mix a science with math?
What?
Like, you gotta add all these numbers. You gotta add the protons and electrons. Like, this is science, not math.
No, everything is math.
No, what?
Everything is math.
Okay, give me an example of how ELA can be math.
When most well, it's a couple different ways. Some poems have structures that's based on number of syllables in a word or a line.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's numbers you got to add up.
You're taking this to the break it down level. I'm just, anyways.
That's what I'm supposed to do.
Okay, well, whatever. So,
Math isn't everything. You know the beautiful thing about math? Math helps you learn how to think.
yeah.
So that's why math is included in everything.
Oh, can be.
No, is.
It's included in every single thing.
Yes.
So it's included in me talking right now.
Yeah.
How?
You talking into a microphone. And when people created the microphone and
They
these
use
wires,
science.
they used math. It's part of that science. You can't escape math.
Oh, I know.
Math is in everything.
I know.
So get used to it.
I know. Okay. Well, and then we have to.
You know what they say about math? Math is an exact science. You ever heard that? Math is a science.
What? What? Math is a science?
An exact science.
What does that even mean? An exact science.
Because in some sciences, it's not always known right now to be exact. Like, what is pi?
3.1? Wait, 3.14.
And it goes on and on and on. So you never get exact.
Oh.
Math is exact. Math is pinpointed to the whatever. So that's the difference.
You want to know fun fact?
Yeah.
I can name a lot of digits of pi.
How many?
I think it's like 30.
30.
Yeah.
You know how many digits of pi NASA use for outer space travel? Guess how many digits they use?
100,000.
Not even close.
10,000.
Not even close.
90,000. Wait, 50,000.
Nowhere close. Nowhere close.
3 million?
I'm about to blow your mind.
10 billion.
believe it.
10 billion.
You gonna think that I don't know what I'm talking
Infinite.
about. 14.
What?
1 4.
14 digits?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
That's all you need.
NASA did that? Like, they use that for outer space?
When they use pi for their equations and calculations and all of that for space travel,
14?
satellites and all of that, they only use to the 14th digit of pi.
What?
Yeah.
That is... What?
Now, this is what you do. Go to school tomorrow and ask your teacher. They not gonna know.
He might.
You might know. I know. How do I know?
Because your sister worked at NASA.
She never told me that.
Because Google told you that.
Google didn't tell me that. Okay, let me see if Google tell me. Let's see. How many digits does NASA use? Okay. Let's see. This is from nasa.gov. To start, let me answer your question directly. For I don't know what JPL stand for, but whatever JPL stand for. Um, I don't know. For JPL's highest accuracy calculations, which are for interplanetary navigation, we use 3.1415925897793. All right, I was off by one.
15?
Not 14, 15 digits.
To calculate. Wait, what? That's
So-
so confusing.
So for interplanetary navigation, so basically moving around outer space. So when they want to send the thing to Mars, didn't we send the thing to Mars?
A rover?
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is the pi that they used. This is how far they went. So they didn't go 100 digits. They didn't use 500 digits. They used 15.
That's so. Wowzers.
See?
I didn't know that.
You see? You learn something. I'll be teaching y'all stuff every day over here. Y'all go to school all day. Had to come home and get taught some more. It's all right. I teach y'all something new every day around here. Every day. Something new. Teaching.
Yeah. So then,
So what's this about the periodic table? Did you make an element?
did I make my own?
Yeah. Did you draw one on the paper?
Yeah.
Which one did you draw?
It's sulfur, magnesium, and neon.
Oh, you made 3?
Yeah, we have to make 3.
Sulfur. What's sulfur letter? S?
I think it's SU.
No, it's just S.
Oh.
And what number is it?
That's a great question.
All right, what's the answer?
16.
16. What was the other ones?
Magnesium.
Magnesium. What's that one? Mg. What number is it?
12.
12. And what was the last one?
Neon.
Neon. We talked about that one last week. 10. So the periodic table. So did y'all teacher teach y'all about the elements that's most stable?
Yeah.
And the ones that's not stable?
Oh, no.
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 What you mean no?
No.
Y'all didn't learn about the left side to the right side?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Well, y'all will. I'm pretty sure y'all will. At some point learn about the elements that's very stable and the ones that are not very stable. That's
What? Elements can be stable?
yeah.
OMG.
So you got some elements that are like I can't think of none. But you got some elements. So okay. So elements combine to make other elements. Like hydrogen and oxygen come together to make what?
Water?
Water. Right?
Okay.
It's so I'm trying to think of an easier way to explain this. Okay. Pull up a element table.
Okay.
Okay. So you look at all the way to the right. At the top, which one is that?
Helium?
Helium. What is helium used for?
To blow balloons up?
For balloons, so that they'll float, right?
Yeah.
We freely use helium, no problem, right?
Yeah.
Helium is very stable.
Oh.
That's why we can easily use it. It's not going to blow up. It's not going to do nothing crazy. It's really stable. It's 2 electrons orbit around the nucleus. It's, it's stable. Perfectly fine. You look all the way on the other side. What's that one?
Hydrogen?
Hydrogen. Not stable. Hydrogen has 1 electron, and it's very easy for hydrogen to bond or lose that 1 electron. So it's not very stable. That's why we don't just be using hydrogen on stuff.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
You some I believe there's a such thing as a hydrogen bomb.
Bomb?
Yeah. Let's see. I think it's pretty powerful too. Thermonuclear weapon. Sometimes 1,000 times more powerful than atomic bomb that uses a primary fission trigger to ignite a secondary hydrogen fusion reaction, resulting in a massive multi-megaton destruction.
Multi?
So basically, you got hydrogen on the left, not very stable, helium on the right, very stable, and you pretty much work from left to right as far as unstable to stable.
Oh.
So that's pretty much it.
Oh. It's not that bad.
Yeah. And of course, there's probably some stuff in that I'm missing because it's been a long, long time since I dealt with this stuff. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Because I think sodium is pretty stable. That's basically how these elements work. This stuff is important for you to learn. It's really, really important for you to learn this stuff now. Because a lot of stuff that you will start to learn being a doctor is, guess what? All of those medications and what reacts with what and what combines with what and what should not be in the same space as what all comes back to these elements. This chart should become your best friend. Yeah. Yeah. And it's not difficult. Just think about all the songs you know, all the lines you learn, all the words you learn to this song. It's only about 100 elements. It's really not that many.
Yes, but they couldn't have chose like easier words.
Why stuff need to be easy? What do we get from easy?
What is zirconium? Like
Zirconium? Oh, that's a good one. I'm glad you said that one. Where is that one at?
it's 40.
40. Oh yeah. Guess what? One day when you get older and the loser that your dad tells to scram. Yeah. He gonna bring you your wedding ring and he gonna try to marry you and he gonna bring you element number 40. A cubic zirconium, a fake diamond. And guess what? You will know. You gonna say, get that 40 out from in front of my face. You ain't even gonna know what you're talking about. Or if you don't know, then you gonna be wearing that 40 on your ring finger, not even knowing. This stuff is real life.
Yeah.
It's not fake. It's not abstract. It's real life. Even the hair that you use to braid your hair, you analyze what is it? Which one of these chemicals is it? And how does those chemicals affect your personal health? You see, a lot of our women, particularly our black women, develop some health challenges. Part of it is tied to the products that we use in our hair. A lot of it is probably still unknown. But everybody look at this and say, oh, it's so much. I don't want to take the time to learn about it. But it could save your life. It could save your family member life. So now I wonder, is it worth it?
Well, I mean, it would be worth it if, like, the words weren't so challenging.
What's so challenging about it?
Because it's, what even is this? They just chose random letters and put them together.
Well, guess what?
No.
When you discover your element, because if I remember right, there was, I can't remember, but there might still be some elements that are yet to be discovered that you can discover and you can name it. But as it stands, these are words. These are
words?
Yeah. These are the names of the elements.
Like, gold is AU, but there's no A or U in gold.
Well, maybe you need to look up why is gold symbol AU. There's a reason why. This is part of doing the knowledge.
Oh.
What'd it say?
It comes from Arium.
Latin word.
Yeah, we're good, which translates to shining dawn.
Aurum,
Oh.
Latin. So a lot of these elements are named for a Latin or are derived from a Latin word. Most of them are. So that's where a lot of them get their name from. But it's just a word. It's just letters and syllables. That we have to get past that initial part. That means nothing. It's just an agreed upon name that people agree to call it. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but you need to know what these elements are, what they do, what they're useful for, how they could be dangerous. Like look at number 92. What's that one?
Uranium?
Yeah, it's a war going on about that right now. You know what that's for?
Bomb?
What kind of bomb?
Titanic bombs?
Nuclear bomb.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's cool.
that's that one. So all of these elements have different uses, all types of different stuff. So this, I would tell you, learn this. The kids that sit in class and don't learn this and are not willing to learn at this level, those gonna be the kids that, hopefully they could be a good entrepreneur and make their money that way. But they're not going to become a doctor or a lawyer or an engineer.
You need all that for this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And guess what? Millions of people do it.
Oh.
This is why I constantly tell you, get out of this free time mindset. This is just something else that you can learn. And once you learn it, you won't forget it. You'll know it. You'll have it. And it still won't affect you. Like it won't hurt you from being able to learn the next Glorilla song. You still can learn the next Glorilla song. But guess what? Guess how much money you gonna make off of knowing Glorilla songs?
None.
Not 1 penny. Not 1 cent. But guess how much money you can make if you learn this chart? Billions.
Billions?
Yeah. Big difference.
Just to learn this?
Yeah. And guess what else? You want me to tell you a secret? The people who decide about wars and the people who control everything in our lives, those were the kids that were sitting in class learning this inside and out. And now they run the world because they developed their brain. They developed the ability to think and process information at a very high level. And so now they are the ones who are making the policies that we live by. You will never see them. You will never meet them. They'll never be famous. But guess what? They live like a king every day. So the question becomes, which one you want to be?
King and queen.
You want to work at the local Walmart, running the cash register, or you want to be the person, the doctor, the engineer, the discoverer.
The doctor?
Okay. Well, it sounded to me like you gonna be studying this element table real good. Get to know it real good.
Wait, so me just knowing it makes billions of dollars?
It's a stepping stone. It's a stepping stone. You got to learn this to learn the next stuff. Like you can't get to that level without learning this part. At some point, you have to learn this part. You have to learn how this part works so that you can get to the next point. You get what I'm saying? It's like learning addition when you was in first grade. You could not learn multiplication if you never learned addition. And then you could not do exponents if you never learned multiplication. And then you will have a very difficult time with algebra if you never learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division and exponents. So it's all stepping stones. They build on each other. Well, when it comes to chemistry and science overall, knowing the periodic table of elements that's like first grade.
What?
Yeah. But it's like with everything else. Just think about how difficult 24 challenge was, especially with the double digits the very first day. You sat there for hours, couldn't figure out the threes, right?
Yeah.
And now you can do them, no problem, right?
Yeah.
It's the same thing with this. It seemed like, oh my goodness, it's so much information, it's so much stuff, it's this and that. You sit here for a week or two with it, and you'll know it like the back of your hand. Just like anything else. The question becomes, how important is it to you?
Do you know it?
Nah, I don't. I'm also not a doctor. That's the difference between don't you want to be able to go? Don't you wish that we could just get a flight for your spring break and just go to Jamaica for your spring break week?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I would have became a doctor, we could do that. But I didn't learn this well enough to become a doctor. So guess what? We can't afford to do it.
So if I learned this, I'm smarter than you?
No.
Oh.
You would never be smart.
Yes, I will. When I become a doctor, I will be 10 times smarter than you.
No, you won't be.
Yes, I will.
No, you won't.
I promise I will.
Well, let's just see about that, Joy, mate. So, well, okay. That sounds perfect. We'll get the you can get your microscope out. You start looking at some stuff under the microscope. See what it's looking like under the scope. You can get some of your mama gold. This an element. Gold.
Uh-oh.
AU.
That's real?
What?
I didn't know that was real.
What? You thought I were a fake?
I didn't think it was fake. I just didn't think that it was gold.
This is real gold.
I didn't know that.
Child.
I did not know that.
Yeah, real gold.
Well,
So you can learn this stuff frontwards and backwards, and it'll just be another thing that you know under your belt. Copper, nickel, cobalt, those metals. You got metals, you got gas, liquids, and metals.
oh,
Right?
yeah.
What's the definition of solid or solid?
It's still.
Kinda. It has a defined mass and defined shape.
Defined?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's water?
Liquid.
Liquid, I mean. What's liquid?
It has no defined shape.
And
No.
it has a defined mass and no defined shape.
Oh.
It can take on any shape, but the mass is the mass. Now what's a gas?
No defined shape and no defined mass.
Correct. It could just expand and expand and expand.
Wait.
You can look it up. You fact check me.
No,
Go ahead.
no.
You can check me out. Jay Sean got a birthday coming up. Boy about to be 15 years old. Huh? Boy don't know how old he about to be. What'd you find, Joy? You smacking in the microphone?
These blackberries are so good. Okay.
Your mama bought them for me.
No, she did not. Okay. So, like, whenever I was in class, I was like, is soap a liquid or a solid? And it's a liquid.
You know, there are some elements that, well, first of all, soap can be different things. So I think the thing becomes at what temperature,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
Because things like a candle at regular room temperature is a solid. But if you apply a little bit of heat to it, it becomes a liquid, right?
Yeah.
And then if you apply enough heat to it, it becomes a gas.
Really?
That's how you get the smell.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that is right.
See? Same thing with water.
Oh, yeah.
It becomes ice at a cold enough temperature, but it becomes a gas at a hot enough temperature. You know something else? This really about to mess up your head. This is why you need to know this stuff. So all of this stuff like heat and water all works off of pressure. You understand that? Like sometimes if you look up a recipe, it'll say this temperature for this long, but at elevation, it'll give you another set of directions. So the higher you go up, you ever seen people climb mountains? Really, really high mountains?
Yeah.
They have oxygen tank, right? Or they will need to have access to oxygen potentially. They might not have it on them, but they gonna need oxygen potentially. This is because the higher you go, the less oxygen it is in the air.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
You understand that?
Yeah.
So at sea level, where we are in general, it takes water boils at what temperature? 212 degrees. See if I'm right.
Oh, yeah, 212.
Okay. That's at sea level. Now, look up. So at the higher you go up, it takes less energy for the water molecules to escape the pressure because it's less pressure. You understand that?
No.
So right here, we are living under a certain amount of pressure. We don't really pay attention to it because it's just constant. It never changes forever. But just think about if you get into outer space.
Yeah.
It's no pressure. You could float. Right?
Yeah.
So at the top of a mountain, like Mount Everest, you can't float.
Oh.
But it's not as much pressure on you as it is at ground level.
Yeah. Oh.
You get that?
Yeah.
So let's say you're at the top of Mount Everest. It's going to be less pressure. So water is going to escape easier. So the higher you go up, the temperature to boil water is going to get lower and lower and lower. So on ground level, it's 212 degrees. But if you're a mile in the sky, it might be 200 degrees. If you're 2 miles in the sky, it might be 175 degrees.
Oh.
And the higher you go up, the lower the temperature to boil water becomes, right?
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So there's a point called the triple point of water.
Of water?
It's where at the same time, water is a solid, liquid, and gas at the same time.
Snow?
No.
What?
Look up triple point of water.
0. Wait.
Triple point of water is the unique temperature and pressure where ice, liquid water, and water vapor coexist in equilibrium. At this precise condition, all three phases coexist simultaneously, which historically defined the Kelvin scale. Boy, I just be teaching y'all stuff.
That's so... Okay.
Every day, dropping knowledge on you. You never even heard of triple point of water.
What does that even mean?
What?
How can... Okay. What?
Yeah.
So, like, you have... What?
Yeah.
So you take a...
I told you I was about to blow your mind.
Listen. You take an ice cube and you put it in, like, a mug. And then the ice cube melts. And then you put it over water. Well, the ice cube doesn't fully melt, but it's still a little bit of piece of ice cube. And then you put it over hot water. And then for a split second, there's still ice cube. And then there's gas and Liquid? Wait, what?
This is why y'all need to spend less time in free time and more time in doing the knowledge.
Well, we don't get free time in her class. So.
Good. I like her.
That's so confusing.
So tomorrow when you go to school, you say, dude, stop the class. I got something to share. You go up to the board. What's it called?
Clever Touch?
Yeah. And type in triple point of water. And then you could teach them what it is.
Okay.
So my point was, that wasn't my point. My point was, there are some elements that are kind of hard to define what they are. I think it's what's Hg? Which one is Hg? Is it Hg? What's Hg?
Mercury?
Mercury. What is mercury?
Planet? What?
No, I'm saying, is it a liquid or a solid?
Oh, it's a liquid.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a metal liquid.
Yeah. It's different. If you look up a YouTube video of like mercury, if you can look at somebody dip their hand in mercury as if it's like water, but it don't stay, like it don't absorb into nothing. Like if you put a sponge into water, the sponge become full of water.
Yeah.
If you do that with mercury, it won't do that. So in some ways, it don't behave like you would expect a liquid to behave.
That's cool.
See, and you think the periodic chart is just trash, and I'm trying to tell you,
I did not say
this
that.
this is one of the keys to being successful in life. If you want to be successful in life, you start learning this, because arsenic, number 33, as a doctor, you ain't gonna want arsenic nowhere near your patients. It's very toxic. What else? All of it. There's so much. Kryptonite. You thought it, Krypton 36?
Yeah.
Yeah. Real stuff. So you gonna learn all about that. I can't wait to tell you how much you know about it.
Well, we're finished. So, we just learned about the mass, and that's it. We just learned about the mass of the... Oh, I skipped one. So, when we came back from lunch, we went to PE, and we played basketball, and I don't know, it's just like, I don't know. It's just so easy to rage quit. Like,
What?
Like, it's so easy to rage quit. Like,
Rage quit what?
Like, I get irritated when somebody's all up like this playing defense mode. Like, move. But that's how you defend. That's how you defend. But it's like, move. You're all up in my personal space.
No, you move.
I do move. And then
Okay, so
no,
how they stealing your space?
I
You moving too slow. You moving too slow.
No, I'm moving and then they're moving too.
Yeah, because you're moving too slow. If you was moving faster, they wouldn't be able to keep up. You getting mad at the wrong person.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I am not.
If you move faster, then they wouldn't be in your space.
No, if they just got out my space, they wouldn't be in my space.
What?
How do they come up to me and go all like this?
Because they're playing defense. That's what they're supposed to do.
But that gets aggravating.
You're not doing your...
point.
Okay, well, then you do your job.
What?
Do your job.
I do my job.
Apparently not if they in your space.
Goodness.
Look at you. Frustrated.
Anyways, so then that's when we went to science. And then we went to track. And, so we did like all these things. Like, first, as a warm up, we had to run around the school building, and then we had to run around it again. And then we did sprints. So you would get a partner, and then y'all would sprint from like one end to the other end. And each one I won, and I even won against an 8th grader, and I was so happy. And then my friend, she's like strong. So like we were trying to like practice like the events besides running. So she just picked up a ball and then she just threw it, and it was I forgot how many pounds it was, but it was a medicine ball, and she threw it like jokingly, so she didn't use all her strength, and she threw it almost 30 feet. And then my coach, she was like, "You're doing shot put, like you're definitely doing shot put." And then they did hurdles too, and then we got done, and then we went to and then Mom picked me up, and then we went to the store, and then we came home. But the lights were out like near Circle K.
Yeah, because they need to bury the wires.
Yeah.
For $10 billion.
No, that is too much money.
Okay, well then, can you create a way to get everybody wireless electricity?
What?
I mean, that's the other way. AI not gonna be able to do this one for you. You're gonna have to use your brain.
Wait, let me just ask one question. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work.
Okay, we got a lot of time.
Yeah.
So?
Yeah. But some people gotta get to sleep. And some people got school in the morning and work.
You ever heard of benzene?
Huh?
Benzene.
Who is that?
It's a compound.
Benzene?
Yeah. 6. Carbon 6, hydrogen 6.
B6. Wait, repeat that?
B C6 H6.
C6H6.
Yeah.
That's benzene?
Yeah.
What is benzene?
I'm gonna let you look that up. Time for me to shut down and get ready for bed, man.
Wait.
We could talk about it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.